Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1986 to 1995 6 series 1 ringgit banknotes. But before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about the banknotes. So this 6 series banknotes is issued between 1986 to 1995. At the time, the Bank Negara Governor is Tan Sri Dato Jaffar bin Hussein, and the signature of the notes look like this, as belong to the Tan Sri Dato Jaffar bin Hussein. And the size of these notes is 120 mm times 64 mm. Now, there are two types of notes. One is without the silver thread, and another one is with the silver thread. Both are printed by the printer Thomas Delero. Now, this is the prefix for without the silver thread and without the silver thread, which I will write at the video description. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, let's take a closer look at the notes. Now, as you know, there's actually two types. One is without silver thread, one is without the silver thread. So I'm going to on the light so that you can see it more easily. Now this is the one with silver thread. The silver thread can be found here. Now try to. You can see some shiny part. That is the silver thread. Now I'm going to off the light. The only difference is the thread, or both are the same design. So let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. Let's turn it around. This is how the notes behind look like. Here's the printer name, Thomas Delero. Alright, in regard about this banknotes, right, this one there's a lot out there. So unless yours is uncirculated condition, it wouldn't fetch much value, and unless it's the replacement notes, so don't really expect much when you go to a dealer with this 1 ringgit notes. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.